Hey, my name is Kennedy. Nothing new with me going on this week. So my species that I chose was the depressed mud crab. So yeah, so the scientific name for that is the Eurypanopeus depressus. So I had to definitely look at that to see how to pronounce that. So the physical description of this crab is that it has a mottled carapace and legs, kind of. So mottled basically means green and black. You know when sometimes you like look at something and it's a different color in the sun and then it's not in the sun, you know? That's how it is. So it's like green in the sun, black not. So it has a mottled carapace with marbled color designed legs. And something really distinct about this crab is that they have random white speckles on their bodies, so it's easy for you to distinguish between which crab. So their geographic range is the West Atlantic Ocean. So they're normally found in estuaries and lagoons around that ocean. So their ecological role is the cleaner. So what they do is they walk on the sand, walk outside of the water, in the water, and they mix up all the soil and the sand and stuff, and it kind of disperses it and all that stuff and like oxygenates the sand. So they also have a huge economic impact for humans because we use them to obviously eat and fish and hunt, so they're very important that way. So on their food chain, the depressed mud crabs have a very aggressive appetite, as one of the articles said. So they eat a lot of things, I guess. So they usually eat trash fish, which is when another animal eats a fish and doesn't eat all of it. They leave a little bit behind. That's what the mud crab eats. And they eat mollusks, and crustaceans and shellfish. And humans are their main predator. So their reproductive strategy is the female goes offshore to mate, the male finds her, fertilizes the eggs, and then after the eggs are fertilized, they stick underneath of her, and she holds them for a couple weeks, and she can hold anywhere between 2 million and 5 million eggs, and these are pretty small crabs, so that's kind of crazy to think. So yeah, and it takes about a couple, like I think 4 or 5 weeks for them to fully hatch. So and something fun about them, a fun fact, is that they are known to be cannibalistic. So they will gladly eat their own brothers and sisters and friends. So it would not be fun to be a mud crab's friend. And yep, that's my thing. Have a good week.